It's the holiday season.
Hey glitter girlies, I'm Blue. Welcome back to the channel. Something I love about the holiday season is giving gifts that I know people are gonna love and seeing them open it and their faces light up. It just makes me feel so warm and fuzzy inside. There's just one problem. I'm broke. And chances are, if you're watching this, you probably are too. But it's okay. It's okay not to fear. We can still give amazing gifts that don't break the bank. Today, I will show you how to make a tote bag out of an old t-shirt. So let's get started. So this is the shirt I'll be using. It's long sleeved. The first step is going to be to cut off the sleeves of your shirt if you have them. Trace and cut a rectangle around the design of your shirt and make sure to leave some extra room on the edges. I really like it. It's so cute. It has little cats. And you're going to want to cut out an equal size piece of the other side of your shirt. You're going to pin the front and back parts of your shirt together. Make sure you pin it inside out. I forgot to do that for this. And if you don't have sewing pins, you can use paper clips or binder clips or even hair clips, whatever you got. Once everything's all pinned up, start cutting out your fringe. Each piece can be just about the length of your thumb. I do not have my fabric scissors with me, so this is gonna be difficult. I've cut all the sides off except the top because that's the top of the bag. Now we're gonna start knotting each of the fringes that you made, but you want to make sure you don't knot the top two pieces, and that goes for the other side too. So once you have everything knotted up, take one of the sleeves that you cut off from earlier and cut out 6 strips to braid those pieces that you set aside. I put something heavy on top of the fabric so that it wouldn't move while I was braiding. So those 2 strips of fringe we did knot earlier are coming back in handy. We're gonna use them to attach our strap. So using the extra bit that I left unbraided of the strap, I'm going to make a knot to attach the strap to the bag. And it's done! Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And I hope whoever you give this bag to, I hope they love it. And I hope you have an amazing holiday season. And I'll see you next time. Bye! It's come to my attention that some people who follow me know me in real life. That's scary. If you know me in real life, no you don't. No you don't. Stop watching.